what we could see is that cryptos are going absolutely crazy. They have pumped all the way from the 22nd of October, the last 4 days. Ethereum is up 12%. XRP is up 15%. Take a look at Solana, 15%. Bitcoin is up 9%. Altcoins are going absolutely insane. The stock market futures has just opened up massively in the futures on a Sunday. That is very, very bullish. When you see the stock market, the S&P 500 futures, the NASDAQ futures gapping up like this on a weekend, it shows that there is something very, very bullish taking place, something very, very bullish that is about to happen because people are loading up. They know some very big bullish news is taking place right now.